We would like to introduce the MetalPress MDR series of die upenders and coil tippers. The MDR series is an excellent solution to heavy-duty load handling for all types of heavy items, such as dies, molds, coils, barrels, various uneven loads, and much more. The MDR series simplifies the difficult task of safely flipping and rotating heavy objects. These robust, all-electric upenders provide smooth, safe rotation of heavy items, eliminating the added maintenance of hydraulic systems. The MDR series is crafted with reinforced welded steel and is equipped with mechanical safety pins and electronic limit switches. All this ensures the utmost safety during operation and during maintenance. At MetalPress, safety is paramount. The MDR series is available with many options such as polycarbonate plate covers, end guard rails, custom bolt mounting, a rotating base, V-saddlers or cradles for coils or barrels, a special based for frequent forklift transportation, and side D-hooks to secure uneven loads. The MDR series is available in a wide range of sizes, from the compact MDR5, which has a capacity of 11,200 pounds or 5,000 kilograms, to the mighty MDR 100, which has a capacity of 220,000 pounds or 100,000 kilograms. The MDR series is efficient, competitively priced, and simple to maintain. This series boosts productivity while safeguarding your workforce. Its versatility and user-friendly design make heavy load handling a breeze. Discover the power and precision of the MDR series die upenders and coil tippers. MetalPress, redefining heavy load handling and safety. Visit our website, MetalPressMachinery.com, for more information.